What happens if I don't replace my cabin air filter? Welcome to Merice J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, the cabin air filter, or sometimes called the pollen filter, is similar to the filter that's in the ceiling of your home. It filters the air that blows on you. So a couple of things that's good about it is it does help keep allergens down. Most cabin air filters are statically charged, so they collect a lot of dust. Secondly, if they go a really long time, it's harder for the fan to blow through it. And so that excess effort for that fan to blow shortens the life of the fan and can also shorten the life of things like switches and resistors and relays. So at Merice J, here in the desert, the desert community where we have a lot of dust, we suggest that you replace your cabin air filter about every 15,000 miles. Some are easy to inspect, some aren't, so that's why we just recommend it based on mileage. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.